What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new wheels that I did get from Summit Off-Road. I'm going to be showing you guys the specs on it, and then I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how it looks installed onto the truck. So let's go ahead and now get into it. And if you guys at the end of the video want to go ahead and purchase your own, because they do make different models, not only these, check out the description box below and their Instagram so you can see what they offer. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so before we actually get into the video and show you guys the specs on the brand new ones, I wanted to show you guys on the ones that I do have right now. So these are the older Summit Off-Road Raptor wheels. These things have seen a lot of rocks and a lot of trails and just a lot of good memories. But basically, these were the 17x9 with -12 offset. And let me go ahead and show you guys the brand new ones. These are going to look freaking awesome. I can guarantee you that. So stay till the end of the video so you guys see how they looked. So these bad boys right here are 17x9 with a -25 offset. So that should give it a better stance that it has right now, and of course it's a nice coloring. So you guys cannot probably see it on the camera, but these are like a bronze color with like some, I can't explain it, but it's like shiny, like metallic flakes inside of it. So it's gonna look freaking awesome overall. I'm excited to install it onto the truck. Go ahead and now get to the tire shop, show you guys how it looks when it's actually installed onto the truck. And like I had said in the beginning, if you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and purchase these, they'll be in the description box below, along with their Instagram if you want to check out all their other products. I also have a Summit Off-Road compressor that I highly recommend getting. I know it has nothing to do with the wheels, but I'd highly recommend getting it. Super affordable, and when you guys are out on the trails, you guys need to air down or air up, that thing is the way to go. So let's go. Alright, you guys, so of course now we're back from the tire shop. I hope you guys can see that on the camera very well. I'll go ahead and get you guys some close-ups, but overall my initial thoughts when we installed it and the truck just pulled out of the shop, you have no idea how excited I was and how happy I was on how these turned out. I'll be honest, when I first put my previous Summit Off-Road Raptor style wheels, when I saw them in the box, those I was kind of like, you know, maybe, and then I put them on and it did look good. But when I got these inside that box, even just opening them in the box, I was already like, damn, it's gonna look good. And then I ended up asking family members and stuff like that, seeing what they thought. They thought it looked good, and sure enough, we were all right, because look at it, looks freaking awesome. So like I said, I'll get you guys some close-ups right now, but one thing I did want to tell you guys, if you come right over here, so I don't really know how offset works or anything like that, but I believe the bigger the offset number, for example, previously I had a -12 and now I have a -25. I believe that helps push out the wheel. Correct me if I'm wrong. And of course, this center section goes pushed in and the lips kind of get pushed out on the higher the number. And then of course, if the lower the number, it's the opposite. So if you guys do know a little bit more on offset and stuff like that, how that works, please comment it down below, because I am curious. But something I did want to touch on, that these wheels, in my mind, or at least from what I can see looking at it down this way, I know you guys can't see it, but looking at it like this, I feel like it actually pushed it out, which is freaking awesome, because now it makes it look a lot beefier. And if you guys have been following me for a while now, on the rears I ended up having to put wheel spacers, so that I actually could probably take off the wheel spacers now and I'll be fine without hitting my shocks. So that's freaking awesome. But like I said, overall 100%, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and get yours, make sure to check out that description box below. It's awesome. They do also make different ones, not only this specific style, but I'd highly recommend them. I've ran them previously, I'm running them again, and they're super strong and look good. So get yours, description box below. Let's go ahead and now get you some close-ups. Another thing too that I do like about the specific wheel that I did end up going with, which is the Stryker series, they are 17x9 like I had said, -25 offset. Cool thing about these compared to the Raptor wheels, these have just a 5-spoke, as you guys can tell, so they're a lot more open. So now you can actually see my aftermarket rotors from TacomaBeast.com, as you guys can tell. But like I said, if you guys do end up wanting to go ahead and purchase some, make sure to check out the description box below. So the cool thing about these, like I had stated in the beginning, is they do have a small flake in them, so they do look really good. It's a little bit different style, of course, for off-road rigs, but this is just going to look good both on-road and off-road. So if you guys do end up wanting to purchase these same exact ones, I'll make sure to link them down below along with their website. And like I said, make sure to check out their Instagram and just kind of look through their feed so you guys can get an idea how it'll look on your rig with different style wheels. Once again, these are the Summit Offroad Stryker style wheels, 17x9 with negative 25 offset. And then of course I have them wrapped on my 35 by 12.5 by 17 inch Toyo Open Country MT tires. It's a freaking overall just great looking setup. So if you guys do like the way this looks, go get yours. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.